We are live. Oh my goodness. We are live. Welcome, welcome. Oh my goodness, we are live. I can't believe I'm doing this. The time is 3:19 a.m. right now. And I have the weirdest setup ever so I can capture poorly from my 3DS right now. But wow, this is going to be so worth it. Oh man. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here's what's going to happen. I just downloaded it, as you can see. I just downloaded this right this second. And I started the stream. I still haven't unpacked it. It's still wrapped in the little gift wrapping thing. Hey, Twisted Andrew, welcome. Welcome to the stream, buddy. You are just in time for me to unpack Pokemon Sun and Moon demo. I just woke up like 3 a.m. I'm like, let me check if it's available on store. And I got out of bed like an idiot so I can unwrap this thing. All right, so let's unwrap it. I need to make sure I don't move my camera and I don't move my 3DS. There it is. Oh! All right, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, sure. All right, hold on. There's my finger. Sorry, I need to be careful that I don't I don't put my finger in front of the thing. Is that it? Oh my goodness, there it is! Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the headset down real quick. I'm gonna make myself a drink, and we're gonna get this thing started. The sound is not gonna get any better than this, unfortunately, because I'm capturing this through my phone and my headset. So this is the best that it's gonna have to be for the time being, but I am getting a capture card. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna put the headset down real quick. Enjoy the music. I'll be right back. Okay, so I switched off the lights. I got myself a drink. I need to be careful now so that I don't move anything around. Okay, here we go. Use the control pad to select language, blah, blah, blah. Once language has been set, you cannot change it during the game. Fair enough. I'm just reading the bottom screen, guys. I'm only capturing the top screen, so. Begin game. Dear son, if you're reading this, son, as in the sun, okay. Dear son, if you're reading this letter, then it must have already arrived. Then you must have already arrived in the Alola region. I hope you're not too tired from the move. You know what I'm gonna do real quick? I'm also gonna tweet out the stream to a Pokemon community that I like to watch, follow, kind of. So yeah, hold on. This needs to happen. So, hold on. Oh, I can't see a thing now. I'm in complete darkness. There it is. Pokemon Group Malta. Found it. There we go. Post. There we go. Alright, let's continue where we left off. Oh man, I need to be careful. So, is that Greninja I left for you doing okay? That Pokemon loves the heat, so it should enjoy having some hot Pokemon battles in the heat of Alola. So it's a water type that enjoys the heat. Okay, whatever. The sender must have forgotten to write their name. Duh. Wow. Okay. Which star Pokemon are you gonna choose? Okay, here's are you going to choose once the game? Okay. So I was really set on getting Rowlet because he looks adorable and I love owls in real life. But the thing is that, oh no, I moved the camera! That's what's gonna happen now. You see, that's what's gonna happen once I try to reach out for my drink. I need to be careful. There we go. Alright, I need to be careful, very careful. So, what was I saying? Yeah, so, the thing is this. I was gonna go for Rowlet, but now I saw the evolution of the cat. What's his name? The cat one. The fire type. I forgot the name. But I'm thinking I'm gonna go for that one now. I've changed my mind. Unless I can go for two. Can I go for two? Can I start a new game? Choose Rowlet, deposit it into Pokemon Bank, then start over a new game, choose the little cat, and then withdraw it from... withdraw Rowlet from the bank. Can I do that? I was thinking of getting both. It would be the first time I ever done that. We'll see. Let's see. It seems it can't be found on the letter or the envelope. This guy is stupid. He forgot to write his name. Never mind. A Pokeball! It's the Greninja, is it? Okay, we'd better head over to City Hall to let them know that your new address here... my goodness, I can't read. It's 3 a.m. I just got up. Alright, we'd better head over to City Hall to let them know your new address here in Alola. I'm sure you can barely hear the music of the game, eh? I'm sorry about that, but that's the best I can do. For the time being, I'm getting a capture card. I'm waiting for it to be delivered. Should be in time for the actual game. Machamp! Alola Sun. So this guy's called Sun? Seriously, like red and blue? This guy's called Sun? That's weird. Never mind. Okay, never mind. So, Alola Sun, did you know that when you greet someone in Alola region, you say Aloha? Alola. Alola? Really? Really? Alola? Okay. Alola, we just moved here to this address. Alola. It's weird. It's weird. Let's see. So you moved here from the Kanto region, yes? Oh, interesting. Please wait a moment while I process this. And I'm gonna have another sip. Where's my drink? I can't see in the darkness. Sure, thank you very much. I guess we should just relax and wait here. Okay, so I guess it's time for me to move around, yeah? I'm moving around! That's so nice. Oh, I can only move with the... You can talk to people now. It's so hot in Alola. I'd love to get doused with a water type move. Okay, whatever. Can I sit? Can I sit like all other games? No, really? Come on, I think I can. Can I sit like all other games? I can't sit. Usually could sit. Oh man. I don't want to buy this game. Uh-oh. Hey, is your name Son? Yeah, well, it's not really Son. I refuse to call myself Son. Nice to meet you. I'm How. Nice to meet you. I'm glad my grandpa. I'm glad my grandpa asked me to come to the city hall. I got to meet you after all. Okay. This guy is getting clingy already. How? Take good care of Son for me. Okay. Are you Son's mom? Nice to meet you. Yes, I am. Alola! She's getting used to the word already. Alola to you, miss. Apparently they do that thing with their hand when they say Alola as well. Hey, it's fine if you want to just wait around here, but how about you go explore the town a bit? Oh, that sounds like a great idea! Let's let him jump for a bit. Let's see if he gets tired. Look at him jumping. Alright, let's move it. He keeps jumping. He's not tired. I'll show you all the coolest stuff, son. If I could change the name, I would make it Son. S-O-N. Like son. My son. Is that it? He just took off. He left me here. Have fun. So we have to maintain our roads. We have to maintain our roads so everyone can ride Pokemon safely. Okay, thank you. Look, it's a Machamp. Whoa! That's it. You don't say Machamp anymore. Paw is not even in the name. Paw, Machpaw, Pawchamp. I want to see if I can sit on this one. I find it very weird that I can't sit now anymore. No, I can't sit. Interesting. Okay, well that's it. I'm gonna talk to some people. Is this my mom? Have fun. Okay. Well, this lady. Hello, lady. Sup, girl? What you doing? Welcome to Alola. Alola. For you, it should be a wonderful place full of surprises. I'm sure it will be. Alola's full of sights to see. There are surprises waiting for you outside the city hall. I'm sure you'll have fun out there. Come on, give me my Greninja, please. Yo, I've never seen you in Alola before. Where you flew here or where you grew here? What grammar is that? Where you flew here or where you grew here? That's weird. That's not very educational to teach kids bad grammar. Let's move it. Oh, it's the bad guys. Yeah, look at the way they walk. The character that walks as him in the army. Did you just see the guys, how they walk? These guys, what, Team Skull are they? Did you see how they walked? Are you from some place far away, huh? No. You from some place far away, huh? Got any rare Pokemon, huh? Is that their thing? They say huh all the time? Whoa, it's Team Skull. I got the name right. These baddies are always stealing Pokemon from people. We're not bad. We're just hard. Okay. We're just a bunch of guys and gals with a great interest in other people's Pokemon. So what we're getting is, you want to give us your Pokemon? Yeah, okay. Sure. Pokemon are our friends. We can't just give them to you. Look at him. Yo, yo, yo. Then I guess we're gonna have to take them. So it's not just bad grammar, it's also bad spelling. Alright. Even the music is a bit yo, 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 yo. Listen. I need to be careful. I can't move my 3DS and I can't move my phone. Because if I do, I'll mess the whole thing up. To be very, very careful with pushing the buttons. Let's go, yo, yo. Son, you've got Pokemon, right? Let's give these guys a Pokemon battle. So we did find a Pokemon with the letter we received earlier. So we have something. We have a Greninja, right? Our first Pokemon battle in Pokemon Sun and Moon. So much hype. Let's go. You are challenged by Team Skull Grunt. So far, he's just a regular Greninja. So we've got Yungoos or Yungoos, whatever it's pronounced. Okay, so here we go. Oh wow, I wish I could show you guys the battle screen at the bottom, but I can't. It's just, it looks really good. It looks really good. Where's my stylus? I can't see my stylus. It's so dark right now. All right, I guess I have to do it with the finger. All right. So I'm fighting. He's got 4 moves. One of them is Water Shuriken. I've never seen that move before. I've seen Aerial Ace and Double Team and Night Slash, but Water Shuriken? I've never seen that before. Maybe I'm a noob. Hey Liz, welcome! I'm potato streaming today. I'm potato streaming Pokemon Sun and Moon. Just came out. And I'm not so sure what the audio quality is like of the game, but it's the best I can do before I get my capture cards. I hope I get it by the time the game comes out in a month. Anyway, let's move it. I don't know what Water Shuriken is, but we're gonna go for it. Let's go. Wow. Okay, that was good. Hit 2 times. That was a good move. Yungoos fainted. You defeat Team Skull Grunt. Look at his face, like, what? I'm gonna take a sip because of his face. I'll leave his face like this for a bit while I take a sip. Alright, here we go. You received 800 something for winning. Pokemoney. Whoa, this gets way too strong. No bones about it. Where's Rusty Bones? He's talking about bones and skulls and stuff. Rusty Bones should be here right now. Alright, here we go. Look at him doing the moves. Listen to the music. So funny. Alright, let's go. Ah, there's another yo-yo. Well, try beating us both next time. We've got a bone to pick with. I see what you did there. We've got a bone to pick with you. We're gonna tell our big sis about you. So don't you forget it. Oh, they're taking off. Okay. It's not a... There's nothing to be scared of as long as we've got Pokemon by our side. Hey? Okay, I guess. Son, your Pokemon's called Greninja, right? Yep, that's very basic. Follow me, I'll show you where the Pokemon Center is. Oh, wanna heal up my Pokemon too? Okay, let's go heal up. I don't even need healing. It was just a one-hit KO, really, but whatever. That's another weird thing. He's like, let me show you where the Pokemon Center is, and he just takes off. Alright, let's go. He's trying to freestyle. Yeah, exactly! I should have read his comments in freestyle. See if I could do that. Pull that off. Oh, did you guys see that? froze for a bit. Okay, so terminal or something. Let's go. Sup, lady? What you doing? Isn't my Corsola cute? I can send its lovely branches flying. Okay, let's check out the Corsola. Corsola! Sola, sola! Son, over here! The Pokemon Center is over here. One thing I've noticed when I'm moving the character around, it's no longer a grid. I mean, you must be thinking, of course it's not a grid. Even the X, Y, and Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire wasn't a grid. But it really was a grid in a way, because it was like you could move up, down, left, right, and diagonally. But now, oopsie, there we go, I moved my camera! There we go, we're back in frame. I need to be very careful. The more I drink, the more I'm gonna get clumsy. Alright, but this time, it's amazing how smooth it is. I wish I could explain, but you have to see for yourself. So you have to press A now to go in. You can't just walk in. And the music for the Pokemon Center changed. Oh no, it hasn't. There it is. There it is. Ah, what a relief. I was worried for a sec. So if you want to talk to the woman, if you talk to the woman, she can restore your Pokemon to perfect health. That's Nurse Joy. Ooh, vodka. No, Liz, actually it's not vodka. It's I'm having JB this evening. JB Coke. And I'm regretting not putting the Coke in the fridge. I don't know why I didn't do that. I wasn't planning on drinking, that's why. But I should always refrigerate Coke. I'm an idiot. Alright, now. Or you can use potions to heal your Pokemon. Oh, that reminds me, son. Here, you can have one of my super potions. Thank you very much. You open up the medicine pocket and put the super potion away inside. Alright, where should we go next? I want to heal my Pokemon just in case. I mean, I don't need to, but I'm gonna look around for a bit. What's up, sir? If you've got Pokemon, you can really go far. Enfermera Joy. Okay, now that, because you said Enfermera Joy, makes me think. You're not Italian? Are you Spanish? Because it's, yeah, in Italian it's Infermiera. So that makes me think. Are you Spanish? If you don't mind me asking. You've got Pokemon, you can go far. You've got a strong Pokemon, who knows how far you can go. Okay, that was very... What about you, man? Alright, where should we go next? This guy... Oh, this is the store! Oh, how nice. Just looking after the place. The owner of the cafe area is on a trip around the world in search of finest ingredients. I think he should be back in about a month. In about a month. You see? The release of the game. The release of the game in about a month. So this store will be... I'm Latin vlogging. Okay, I could tell. Yes, I could tell. It's amazing how many words are very similar. I could tell. Languages are very similar when you think about it. Okay, so this shop is closed right now, and the owner's going to be back in a month. So it's basically telling us, YouTube won't let me watch live videos. Video freezes, but the audio plays. But something must be wrong on your end. Liz, you can watch and listen fine, yeah? Unfortunately, it's one of those times where I can't really test my streams, so I'm just gonna have to... Anyway, welcome to the stream, PHCool23. Welcome. So yeah, she's looking after the place. Basically, she's telling us she can't help me out because the owner's not away, is away, and he's gonna be back in 1 month when the game is released. So this store will be open in a month when the game is out. Well played, Game Freak. The owner of the cafe is on a trip. Yeah, so we're fine. It's going to be back in about a month. You see? Well played. We're going to heal our Pokemon in a bit. Just looking around. What about you? What's your excuse? Sorry, everything's out of stock right now, so Pokemon's closed. They should have said, we'll have more stock in a month. They should have said that. Actually, hang on, let me see what... Everything else is stocked right now. Yeah, we should be restocked in about a month. Pokemon is closed. So why are you there? Why is the store open? It looks open. Anyway, Liz says it's everything is perfect from her end. Honestly, I wouldn't think the stream is perfect, but because I don't have a capture card. It's the next best thing, but anyway. What's the excuse? Yeah, I know, right? Alright, let's go. Let's see. I love Slowpoke. I love me a Slowpoke. Is there an Alolan Slowpoke in this game? Slowpoke. What about you? Anyone can go to a Pokemon Center and get their Pokemon all healed up. You know, sometimes when they say that your dog ends up looking like you, or you look like your dog, this guy looks like his Slowpoke. Look at him. He's chubby and he's wearing pink. Anyway, what's over here? Nothing. Okay. Hello and welcome to the Pokemon Center. Would you like to rest your Pokemon? Yes, please. Yes. Perfect potato. Thank you, Liz. Perfect potato. I'll take your Pokemon for a few seconds then. Oh, how cool it shows on display the kind of Pokemon you have. I mean, they always did, but this time it looks better. I want to see it again, actually. Let's do it again. I want to heal them one more time. How did I get it early? The thing is this, J Galaxy. First of all, welcome to the stream. Hello to you too. I'm kidding. First of all, the thing is that my 3DS is set to the Australian region. So, yeah, that's one. And over here it's like 3 a.m. Well, 3:45 now. I woke up at 3 a.m. I'm like, let me see if it's in the store. And I checked, I'm like, oh, it is! It is! So I got out of bed and I started streaming. I have no life. Well, see you again. No, I don't want to heal again. Let's go. It's the professor. Is this the guy that gives me my starter? Hey there, Howl! Who's that with you? He's so rude. Hi, Professor Kukui. This is Sun. He moved here from the Kanto region, all the way across the... Can you imagine if we revisit the Kanto region once again? I don't think it's gonna happen, but... Wishful thinking. Ooh, that's pretty cool. I love that it says the names of the persons saying the dialogue. I like that. I really do. Is it the first time we're seeing this? I don't know. But anyway. Alola region. Shirtless professors. Only in Alola. Come on, man. Nice to meet you, Sam. My name's Kukui. I hope we can be friends. Everyone's so clingy in the Alola region, eh? What's up, Vloggy? Your stream looks really good. Thank you so much, Stephen. That means a lot. Thank you so much. That means a lot. It's the potato-est stream I could pull off. It's the closest. It's the next best thing, really. Thank you so much, Stephen. Thank you so much. The audio I know is messy, but it's pretty much being picked up by my microphone, by my headset. That's the next best thing. If I want you to hear a particular music, I can just move my head towards the speaker of the 3DS like this. Like that, yeah. So yeah, but it's the next best thing. My 3DS capture card's still not here. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I'm gonna give it another week, and then I'm gonna send them an email saying, "Listen, a month ago, I'm gonna leave a whole month, and then I'm gonna be like, listen, a month ago I ordered a 3DS and I still haven't got an update. When am I gonna receive my order?" I'm gonna try bluffing. Say, listen, if you're not gonna send me my 3DS in time, I'm gonna cancel my order. I'm gonna go with that. We'll see. I don't want to cancel it, but I'm gonna bluff. See if I can get it on time. They're demanding 200 euros in extra for me to receive it earlier. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. But anyway, this is the next best thing. I can stream from my phone. I've got positioned my phone on a selfie stick. I can't move my phone. I can't move my 3DS. It's the next best thing. Anyway, yeah, it might take a little while. Sometimes it's a long time, unfortunately. Yes. Anyway, let's go. Professor Cuckoo is researching Pokemon moves. Oh yeah, because the new best thing now is Z moves, apparently. The Z moves. Last time it was, what was it? Mega Evolutions. Bluff the vlog one. I'll try. The thing is, what if they're like, okay, then we cancelled your order. No! Because I don't really want it cancelled. But anyway, we'll see. We'll see how that goes. Google is researching Pokemon moves. Let's go. Yeah, that's right. I let myself get hit with all the kinds of moves so I can test their power. Hey, Professor. You should train Sun. Well, that came right out of the blue. What's up, Hal? Yeah, but you wanting to be my friend 3 seconds in is not out of the blue. We just ran into those Team Skullfucks and it got pretty tough. It didn't. It was just a one-hit KO, really. But anyway. I see. I wouldn't want you to be in any trouble if you got attacked again. That's my professor voice. You want to go through a trial to make yourself stronger? Yeah, sure. I'm gonna ask, a trial? Trials are a custom we have here in the Alola region. Young boys and girls go through them to get stronger as trainers and to get closer to their Pokemon. Oh man, I'm tired of making that voice. I'm gonna continue reading it as my vloggy voice. Well, whenever you're ready, come out to where we'll hold a trial. 10 Karat Hill. Woo! It's up there then, apparently. Okay. That guy over there will take you out to 10 Karat Hill when you're ready. That professor voice. I know, right? I know you and Greninja can do it, son. Good luck, son. I'm enjoying saying son. Good luck, son. But I don't want the sun to be the sun up in the sky. I want to be sun as like my son. If I could rename my character, I would make it Sun, S-O-N. But anyway, I'll show you around. Look at this guy. Dude, take a chill pill. Okay, I'll show you around some more when you're done. Okay. And that's me again, walking around. Hello. Sup, girl? I'm gonna hit on women, even in a game. Oh, come here. Looking good. That's me. Look at me. Looking good. Oh my goodness, I didn't even expect that. Okay, let's go. What does this say? Mele Mele. Ferry terminal. Okay. Oh, we've been here. She's bragging about her Corsola. Let's go. How about this guy? What's up, man? If you want to get to 10 Karat Hill, you'll have to ask some weird old guy. Alright. Weird old guy. Hey, what's up, man? What's his name? I forgot his name. How? Good luck, son. I'll show you some more when you're done. Okay. It's the same girl. Looking good. Anyone else wants to talk? No? Nothing? Nobody? I want to check out the other area. Hold on. Knowing that it's a demo, it'll probably be closed off or something. Barricaded like, dude, we're performing some works right now. No, it's not. Let's see. I love brushing my adorable Pokemon. Okay. Alrighty then. Oh, it's a car. It's not a car, it's a truck, it's a van or something. Of some sorts. Can I go in? No? Yeah. All the buildings and the demos are usually closed off, so. Sup, girl? I'm gonna hit on this girl now. That Pokemon you have with you is Greninja, right? That's a rare sight here in Alola. Okay. Can I go in? No. Her purpose is to block the door, actually, so I don't get in. For a demo, it looks really good. I can't wait to play it. You're gonna get it too, Steve? You're gonna get that too? Okay, awesome. If you are gonna get it, we will battle for sure. And I mean, we can stream it. We can have a live battle. Let's go. What about her? Yeah, I guess she's barricading the door. Kahili was. Oh, oops! Did I just move the camera? Yeah, I did. Easy, vloggy. Easy. Kahili is a golfing genius from right here in Alola. And she's quite strong. She's quite strong in Pokemon battles too. She's off conquering the world right now, but I hope she comes back someday. This demo is definitely more extensive than the first demo that came out for Omega Ruby Alpha Sapphire. Sup, man? When you turn 11 in Alola, you can participate in our local rite of passage, the Island Challenge. Oh, I can go in this one. That's nice. I'm gonna get it, bro. It looks like a lot of fun. Yes, it is. Pokemon is a lot of fun. I will never grow old. I will never be too old for Pokemon. I'm trying to debate whether I'm gonna do a face cam when I play this game in a month's time, when I get my capture card. I don't know. We'll see. I may do a face cam. I want you to see my face when I get excited like a kid. Okay, it's so hot. I'm trying to take a break indoors. Phew! I feel like I just came back from the dead. Resident Evil! Sup, girl? There are 4 islands, each with its own unique charm here in Alola region. Okay. So which makes me wonder, each island has its own challenge, like its gym, kind of. So how am I gonna earn 8? Interesting. The TV hanging on the wall is showing a promotional video for the Alola region. Alola, 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 Alola. Okay, weird. Each of the 4 has an awesome Pokemon that people consider a guardian deity. Yes, I've heard about this, the guardian deity. Can I catch one? That's the interesting bit. Can I catch one of these deities? Because I've heard of them. Yes, yes. I'm trying. I want to get an Alolan Vulpix for sure. There's an Ice type Vulpix now as well. I want that. I really want that. Anyway, let's go. Look at Liz doing the face because I sang. Alright, here we go. I would like another drink. Guys, would you like waiting for me for a bit while I go make myself another drink? I'm gonna put the headset down real quick. Enjoy the music. Be right back. And he's back. That didn't take long. That didn't take long. The thing is, you might be wondering, why don't you get your drinks close by and you can pour yourself a drink when you're close? But the thing is, I can't risk having my my equipment close to alcohol, and it's complete dark here. So anyway, let's keep moving, guys. Thank you for waiting. Let's go. What about this guy? When you turn 11, oh yeah, I just spoke to this guy. Come on, let's battle. Can I check my Pokemon, by the way? Oh, you can't see it. It's at the bottom screen. Sorry about that. That's my Greninja, but sorry. You can't really see. It's at the bottom screen. When I stream from my capture card, you'll see the full thing. There will be the top screen and the bottom screen. So many Slowpoke. They're awfully cute, aren't they? So you see, this is the second time Slowpokes are referenced in the demo. Interesting. I wonder if there's an Alolan Slowpoke. I want to go through here. Can I go through here? Come on. Come on. No? No? No. Slowpoke! Look at them. Poke. Slowpoke. What, this guy? Oh. Oh, they're blocking the way. The slow. You see, I told you it's going to be barricaded because it's a demo. It's barricaded by Slowpoke. How interesting. No. No! Oh. I love making Slowpoke Slowpoke noises. I love Slowpoke too. Slow. Okay, here we go. Slow. Poke. Oh, man. I can't go through here anymore. No. I can run! I just discovered I can run. My running abilities. Let's go. You know what I was thinking, Stephen? This demo is definitely longer than the Resident Evil 7 demo. Well, what's over here? What's over here? Ah, it's the Corsola girl. Let's go. Okay, it's time to talk to the weirdo. I love that they kept the same sounds when you bump into a wall. Listen, listen closely. I wonder if you can hear it, but... It's that little boom. Boom. Anyway, let's go. This guy called him out. No, no, no. When we're done, we have to speak to this guy. Let's not forget. Let's go. Yeah, that was like... Exactly. Alright, let's go. I know you just got here, but do you want to go to the 10-carat hill? Yeah, sure, why not? Let's go now. Alright, come on, I'll show you the way. We're 10-carat hill already. Hello, pure awesomeness. Welcome. I love your username. Welcome to the stream, buddy. We are playing the Pokemon Sun and Moon demo. It came out like, what, half an hour ago? No, not half an hour ago. My stream's been going for 45 minutes. So, yeah, it came out 45 minutes ago. That's how it is. That's how it is. Okay, so. I woke up like at 3 a.m. Like, let me check the store to see if the demo's out. I'm like, it's out! It's out! So I jumped out of bed to make a stream. That's how committed I am. And that's how much I don't have a life. Oh, man. There's no particular reason to, but do you want to go back to... No, 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 no. Not right now. Not right now. Alright. Looks like there's Pokemon battles up there. Are we gonna learn Rock Smash in the demo? I have the 3DS XL, which I regret getting because this 3DS model is the only one that they don't customize for the capture card. I couldn't even send it to them so that they couldn't do the capture card on. So I had to buy a completely new one. I'm waiting for the new one now. Yeah. Anyway, it's a lovely screen. It's a big screen, but the 3D is a gimmick. So anyway. Let's go. Can I walk into the grass? No, he's not gonna let me. Hello, I am the shirtless professor. Sure you are. Wild Pokemon will jump right out of the tall grass at you. You're a Pokemon trainer. Yeah, so you can battle alongside your partner, Greninja. On the other hand, if you don't want to run into any wild Pokemon, you should avoid walking into tall grass. I know. I know. Alright, I'll be waiting waiting for you outside 10-carat hill. Okay, let's go. He's going. He's gonna leave me on my own. How awesome. Guys, we are ready to have our first wild Pokemon battle. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Let's do this. Ready, go. Picky Peck. How cool! Alright, here we go. I'm gonna use Night Slash just for a change. Let's go for Night Slash. Critical hit. Wow, this guy was level 23 actually. And I'm on level 36. I just realized that. My goodness. Let's go. Let's see if there's another wild Pokemon. Let's check it out. Let's check and see if there's others. Another Pikipek. I like the name, by the way. The game looks gorgeous. I wish the stream was a better quality so you can see better. But yeah, no, I mean the 3D is quite of a gimmick. I mean, first of all, it strains your eyes. That's one. Two, it drains your battery. You know, so let me turn on the 3D. Let me see if we can make it. Nope. It's not even in 3D, the demo. This part is not even in 3D. The 3D is on right now. Nothing. No. Maybe it's because it's a demo, but anyway. Yeah, I mean, I can't wait to play this. I can't wait to play the actual full game. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna switch off the 3D because it's not making any difference. Alright, let's go. Guys, you ever heard of a move called Water Shuriken? It reminds me of Street Fighter. Shuriken! I don't know if it's the same thing, but Water Shuriken. Check this out. The way Greninja moves, it does look like a Hadouken. Hadouken! Shoryuken! Anyway, let's go. Let's check one more time. Let's see if we find a different Pokemon. A Rockruff appeared. Oh, cute! I hate normal types, by the way. I hate normal type Pokemon. So let's do an Aerial now. Okay, not very fast. Oh yeah, he's rock type, is he? Okay, I know it's gonna be very pointless, but I'm gonna check to see if I have Pokeballs. Nope, all I have is Super Potion. Empty. Nope, nothing. Water Shuriken, go! Kill it. I shall obey. And he's gone. He's a rock type then. He's not a normal type. He's super effective against him, so. A boosted. Oh, have you noticed how the experience is boosted actually? Interesting. That means he's traded, kind of. Interesting. Alright, let's move on. There are dragon type Pokemon at the site of Professor Kukui's trial. They're all hiding, though, so you have to look for them. We're gonna find the dragon type Pokemon. Alright, we're gonna check this patch of grass as well 3 times to see if there's other Pokemon. They removed the sneak. Remember how in Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire you can sneak? You could sneak in the grass? It's gone. I'm trying to do it, but no, it's not working. Another Pikipek. I love the name. I know, right? Dragon types in the demo. That's weird. We're gonna check 3 times, just in case. Another Pikipek. just noticed something. At the bottom where I have the attacks, like water, shuriken, aerial ace, you know how it gives you the PP, like 17 out of 20, 19 out of 20, how many I've got left? It also says the type of the move it is, whether it's water or normal or dark, like water shuriken is obviously the water type. But it also says effective right next to it. I don't know why it says effective. Interesting. So it's a new thing. And then I can press NLA to get move info. I don't know what that means. L and A. Oh, interesting. The user hits the target with throwing stars. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay. I get the info. I can get a quick peek at the info of the attack. Interesting. Okay, let's go. Enough wasting time. So they're like ninja throwing stars. Oh, my back. Okay, let's go. One more. So it tells you if it's effective. Yeah, I wish I could show you. Maybe I can. You know what? I'll show you. Hold on. This will be a one-time only because it's hard to adjust. It's hard to adjust the screen. All right, so I got another picky pack. I'll move the camera real quick. I'll show you. I hope I don't mess this up. What if I do this? Hold on. Look at this, guys. It says water shuriken effective. You see that? All of them are effective, apparently. Okay, that's the bottom screen. Let me try to reposition the 3DS one more time. There we go. Right. I can't believe I managed to pull this off again. There we go. I'm a perfectionist. I want it to be exactly. That's the next best thing. Okay, I'm gonna leave it as it is. So yeah, you got to see that a little bit. Alright, let's go. Pick it back. You're going down, buddy. That's another rock smash move. Man, now the it's not. Alright, there we go. Okay, much better. Sorry, because I'm a perfectionist. Now it's better. Yeah, I like the new menu too. Yeah, I like the new menu too. Alright, let's go. Oh, the waves. You can hear the waves. Listen. Maybe you can't hear them. I don't know. But anyway. What's up, girl? She wants to battle. My goodness. It's my first Alolan battle. Alright, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. When the eyes of a Pokemon trainer meet, it's time to battle. Let's do this. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's do this. Or not. Are we gonna do this? Oh no, she's just telling me how it goes. This is not my first battle. That's it. Oh. Oh, man. I got pumped for nothing. Can I go up here? No, it's a ledge that I can jump off of, probably. Let's prove my theory correct. Okay. Okay. Young Goose. I want to see my Greninja turn into Ash Greninja. When is that gonna happen? I moved. I hit the camera by mistake. Sorry. Oh, man. Okay, we're back. We're good. I need to be very careful. Alright, so that guy's waiting for me, but before I do that, let's see what this says. Trials up ahead, over here. Okay, I'm gonna quickly check the ledge, see if I can jump. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, let's go. Alright, I'm gonna have my first battle now. This guy's waiting for a battle. Let's do this. There it is. Hey, you've got a Pokemon, so let's have a Pokemon battle. Are you guys ready? I'm gonna put my mic close to the speaker so we can hear the music as well. Let's do this. You are challenged by a youngster, Honus. Okay, nice name, Honus. And we're gonna use my favorite move. I know it says Water Shuriken, it says super effective. And the other one says not very effective, like Aerial Ace, for instance. This is gonna make the game easy. This is gonna make the game easy for noobs. I'm not sure how I feel about that. But it's helpful, but I'm not so sure how I feel about helping the noobs. It's nice that you figure out things on your own, but anyway. It's fine. Let's do this. And Honus is down. I killed that kid, Stephen. I killed Honus. And he's down. Okay, that's it pretty much. That was just one trainer. I have to go through here. I have to go through the cave. I hate caves, because usually it just means Zubats. Let's go. Hey there, son. Okay, I'm gonna do the professor voice one more time. Hey there, son. I've been waiting for you. Let me explain the trial for you. There are 4 Pokemon, and I only have 4 fingers, no thumb. Or does he? I don't know. There are 4 Pokemon on 10 carat health. 2 are called Jangmo, and 2 are called Hakamo. Okay. Your goal in my trial will be to photograph all of them. Yeah? Oh my goodness, really? This is the Poke Finder. You'll need to take it. You'll need it to take pictures. Okay. I got the Poke Finder. I'm gonna take a sip because I got the Poke Finder. Hold on. Okay, let's go. If you've got a a Poke Finder, you can take pictures in places where you think you'll find Pokemon. Huh? He just said Pikachu! I don't know if you heard that. My Pikachu's really strong too. He's every bit as strong as your Greninja, so you can count on him to help you out with your trial. It looks like Pikachu's going to lend you a hand. So cute! That's what I thought when I saw photograph. I'm like, Pokemon Snap, really? To find a Jangmo first, there should be one hiding somewhere close by. Trial start. That's it. Okay. Look for Jangmo close by and take a picture of it. Okay. Oh, okay, so it's very simple apparently. You can sense a trace of a Pokemon. Do you want to fire up the Poke Finder? Yeah, sure, why not? Yes. You can move the camera around by using the circle pad. Okay. It's always a good idea to try looking at the world from all kinds of different angles. When the time is ripe, ripe? I thought it's right, anyway. And you frame the perfect shot, press R or the A button. Zzz. Each time you fire up the poke finder, you can take 6 pics before you can run out of space. Jangmo started and attacked you. Uh-oh! Uh-oh! He looks like a dragon type. Alright, let's go. So. Wait a minute, it doesn't say now if it's effective or not. This is interesting. No, it doesn't say. The moves. So weird. Okay, let's go for water shuriken again. Ooh, he resists the move. Let's try Night Slash. And he fainted. You've successfully photographed one. Yeah! Sorry, there's one thing I forgot to mention. When you take a picture of Jungle, it'll get startled and attack you. Oh! Thank you for the pro tip. You're a good professor. Yeah, maybe it gives you the information once I fought them once. I don't know. We're gonna take a picture of another Jangmo, apparently. So we'll see. What's more, they're dragon-type Pokemon, so yeah, they can be tough, scary opponents. You've got your Greninja and Pikachu with you, so... Oh, I could have used Pikachu! Oh, man! Just want to complete your trial. Have fun out taking pictures. Let's go. You sense a trace of a Pokemon. There we go. It's very easy, actually. It's not like you have to look for them. It's very easy. Maybe it's just for the demo, I don't know. We'll see. You sense a trace of Pokemon. Do you want to fire up the Pokefinder? Let's go. Yes. It's the same Pokemon type. Alright, let's see. He's gone. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's moving around now. He started to attack me. Let's see if I get the info the second time I fight him around. No, let's see. Oh, it does say now. Stephen, it does say now. It says, Water Shuriken not very effective, Aerial Ace effective, Night Slash effective. Alright, that's interesting. So it's the second time you meet them it gives you the information. Oh, that's interesting. How cool is that? Nice, I like that. Okay, let's see if we can switch Pokemon. Let's switch to Pikachu now. Oh, Pikachu's level 40, guys. Oh, let's see, let's go. He's got Growl. I'm gonna use Growl just because it's his, he yells out his name. That's why I'm gonna use Growl, okay? I know that Growl is a lame move, but I'm gonna go for it. Let's do this. That was entertaining. Okay. No, but seriously now, let's do this. Otherwise, he's gonna kick our ass. Static! He got static! Ah, haha, now he's paralyzed. Interesting. I like this Pikachu. Alright, let's do this now. Thunderbolt. We're gonna use... Oh, the moves are Thunderbolt, Slam, Growl, and Iron Tail. Let's go for Thunderbolt. Oh, now I even got the moves for Pikachu now. It does say not very effective, blah, blah, blah. Even though I haven't used this Pokemon before against him. Interesting. Let's go. Thunderbolt attack. Go! Alright. One last attack. And we're gonna use the effective one. Slam. Or Iron Tail. I like the Iron Tail. Let's use Iron Tail. I was hoping for a better animation for that one, but... Oh well. I wonder if I get to keep the Pikachu as well. I photographed 2 Pokemon! Nothing over here. No, I don't want to exit the cave, no. I'm surprised there's no wild Pokemon here, but anyway. Another one! Can you take out the Pokefinder anywhere? No, I don't think so, no. We'll try, let's try. Hold on. No. It's not listed here, no. I think it's another gimmick of the game, really, but anyway. You sense a trace of Pokemon. Do you want to fire up the Pokefinder? Sure, yes. This is a different kind of Pokemon. Why is he running about like that? There we go. Hakamo was startled and attacked you. Surprise, surprise. Let's go. I'm gonna use my aerial ace attack. See if it makes any... You know what, actually? Let's switch Pokemon again. This guy's strong. And we're gonna use Iron Tail. Did my move fail? I was looking away. Did my move fail? That's weird. Let's try again. Wow! He avoided the attack one more time. This Pokemon's good. One more time. Come on, you can do this. Wow, look at that. I'm gonna take a sip now because of that. Because of that. Like I need an excuse. Ah, so close. Let's use this lamb. And he's down. This guy was tough. I have to be honest, this guy was tough. He gave me a hard time. He photographed 3 Pokemon. What's going on? Haka! It's like Kakarot! Alright, let's go. Something's calling from the outside of the cave. Let's go. This guy seems like he's the boss. You sense the traits of Pokemon. Do you want to fire up the Pokefinder? Okay, yeah, sure. There he is. I wish there was a way you can zoom in, but no zooming in. I took a picture of him. Look at that. Ha ka 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 ka! Totem Hakam. This is the deity? What? Oh, look at that! How cool is that? We're gonna teach this guy a lesson, okay? Aerial Ace attack! Automatize? What's that? What is going on? How cute! He can call an ally, so it's 2 against 1 now. This is awesome. So good. I love this. Let's get rid of the ally Pokemon first. Hold on. Let's do this. This is so cool. What's he doing? He changed into Ash Greninja. How cool is that? It's the Greninja from the anime. How cool is that? That's so awesome. Is he gonna stay like that, or is this like a mega evolution? He's gonna turn back the way he was? I don't know. We'll see. Let's see. Is he gonna do it again? No, he didn't. Okay, so I'm gonna use Aerial Ace now that I have my super abilities. Let's do this. Now you're down, Hakamo. How cool is that? Even the way he posed after defeating the Pokemon. That was cool. Now, is he gonna stay like this, or is he gonna turn back to the regular? Let's see. It's probably gonna be a cutscene now explaining what just happened. Over here! I can't believe you beat the totem Pokemon, son. You and that team were awesome. Woo! He likes to woo, this guy. He likes to woo. It likes I took pictures of all 4 Pokemon, including the totem Pokemon. That's nice. Is he the deity, the totem Pokemon? I don't know. You cleared the trial. Congrats, son. I'll give you the Z ring as a present. The Z ring. Z ring. In Europe, the English alphabet, we call it a Z. A Z. Z. Whatever. You slip the Z ring onto your wrist. One more thing. Take the Z crystal too. Okay. You got the Electrium Z. Okay. It's something to do with my Pikachu. Well, his Pikachu. It's not mine. But is he gonna let me keep the Pikachu? I have a feeling. Once you got the Z ring and the Z crystal, yeah, you can use really awesome Pokemon moves. He's gonna say moves. Moves. His next word is moves. Moves. The Z moves. Let's go. Son? Whoa, you got a Z ring. I guess you cleared the trial, eh? Yes, I have. Because I'm a boss. I've been playing Pokemon since I was 13. Congratulations! I've got a trial for you. Look over there. Oh my god, they're back! Look at the way they walk. It's fantastic. I forgot that I gave you my super potion and I had to run away all the way out here. Big sis, there's that numbskull. Oh, I moved the camera again. Sorry. Listen to the freestyle music. Listen to this. I'm Plumeria, the team scout admin. I'm gonna freestyle. So your son, huh? I guess you do not. I guess you do look like a trainer. I guess you do look like a trainer who can help get things done. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna freestyle anymore. I suck. Sis, are you not gonna get revenge on this numbskull for us? Look at him going, yo, 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 yo. I love Pokemon, but it's so cheesy. I love it. Moving along. The other guy is at it as well. If you give up on us now, sis, it'll be adding insult to injury, yo. Oh my goodness, let's go. I got this. Settling the score for my cute little henchman is part of my job. Don't sweat it. Don't sweat it, son. Pikachu can use Z power now. You can only use it once in battle. That's interesting. You see, when things get real now, I switch to my regular voice. But you can only use it once in battle. That's interesting. You can only use it once. Okay. I'll probably use it as like my final attack, so I make sure that they're close to the dying, kind of. Hang on. My 3DS is moving as well again. There we go. Alright, let's go. Are you gonna face off against her with Greninja's Water Shuriken? Or are you gonna go with Pikachu, which can use Z power? Interesting, it's true. Well, we tried the Shuriken with the Ash Greninja with Shuriken, so it's time to use the Pikachu now. If you're gonna give him advice, you better tell him to deal with defeat. Interesting. Ah, I like her attitude. Look at those guys. Power Rangers! You think you can take out my adorable Pokemon with your Z power? My adorable. Interesting. She thinks she has adorable Pokemon. Okay. Let's see what you got, sister. Ooh, Golbat, a familiar Pokemon. Varro, welcome, buddy! Welcome! So here's what's going on, Varro. I woke up at like 3 a.m. and I decided to check my 3DS to see if Pokemon Demo is out. I'm like, it is out! Hang on, I need to put it in frame, hold on. There we go. I'm like, it is out! So I jumped out of bed to do a potato stream. This is this is the best thing I could do. A potato stream. I still don't have my capture card yet, so anyway. Alright, so we've been challenged by this hottie. Alright, let's do this. We're gonna use our Pikachu. There we go, we've got an option now that says Z power and it's flashing. You know, I remember how it was with the Mega Evolution. You used to have the thing at the bottom that flashed when he could do the Mega Evolution. Now I have a similar thing that says Z power. Let's do this, let's do this. Oh man, let's do this. It's called Gigavolt Havoc. Oh wow, so awesome. Are you guys ready for a Gigavolt Havoc? Let's do this. So cool. You get like a different menu now. When you click, I wish I could show you guys, but I don't want to move it around a lot because it's hard to find the correct position. So when you click on, what was it called again? When you click on the Z power, you get another menu for attacks. Potatoes, okay. Thank you, Varro. You get another menu for attacks, but we only got one. It says Gigavolt Havoc. Let's do this, guys. Let's see. I'm gonna put my mic close to the 3DS so you can listen to it. Let's go. That was epic. That was so good. That was so good. I guess I have to hold that loss. That was good. That was really good. I like that. That was good, really good. He received a bunch of money for winning, whatever. That was good. That was really good. I hate the dance that they have to do. I don't like that. What did you say your name was? Son? You're quite the trainer. No, it's a girl, actually. You are quite the trainer. You won't get off so easy next time, though. In about a month. I hope you're looking forward to the next time we meet. Look at her walk. Did you see her walk? Okay, let's try this again. Yo, didn't you just get to Alola? You better be thankful for our sister took it easy on you. Now look at their walk. Yo, sis, wait up! It's so funny. What a great match, son. Woo! I'm gonna call this guy Michael Jackson because he goes, ooh! All the time. Woo! Oh, stupid professor. And a douche as well. A douche. Come on. Any guy who finds an excuse to take his shirt off so he can show us his chest and abs is a douche, okay? Says VloggyBuddy, who's gonna do a shirtless stream. No, I'm kidding. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Pikachu, thanks for helping him out with that trial. Is he gonna give me my... Am I gonna have to give him my Pikachu back? Pikachu went back to Professor Kukui. No! No. You're awesome, son. I know. I know. I'm scaring him. Oh, I'm just very hyped for this game, that's all. I'm sorry for scaring you. You drew out the power of the Pokemon and showed us the best moves you could. Yeah. But the game is cheesy, and I have to cheese it up a bit for this game. Oh, I can't wait to stream this a month from now. It's gonna be better quality and probably face cam. I can't wait. I can't wait! Yeah, we read this already. Son, you're gonna be a wonderful Pokemon trainer. I know. I'm always a wonderful Pokemon trainer, Mr. Professor. He must be new here because you would have heard of me. I want to be an awesome trainer too. Well, the two of you should both train up during your island challenge. Hey son, now that you've finished with the trial, I'll show you the way to the Malasada shop. The names, man, are weird. But anyway. Great idea, yeah. As a welcome gift, it'll be my treat. Yeah, he's gonna pay! Woo! Let's bring son's mom too. I don't like this. He's into my mom, apparently. He's into my mom. Hey, back off! Alright, about to eat every malasada in the shop. What's a malasada? Am I missing something? Saving. Oh, how cool. Come on, a demo that saves. Stop the lies, Vloggy. The demo is over! That was epic. The demo is over. More adventures are waiting for you in the full game. I know they are. I think I'm gonna go with the cat. Hey, anyone knows if the patrol Pokemon are available in the game too? I'm sure they are, Levy. First of all, welcome to the stream. Hello to you too. I'm kidding. Welcome to the stream. I just finished the demo. I would love to give it another go. But it's almost 5 a.m. here. Press start. Let's see what happens if I start the demo one more time. But you know what? I'm gonna put the headset down real quick. I'm sure they are. You know what, Levy? If you have Pokemon Bank, you can withdraw them out of your Pokemon Bank if you want Johto Pokemon. You know, I have Totodile. Yes, I have Totodile and Chikorita and stuff. So I'm sure you can withdraw them if you want. Chikorita would be nice for the Alola region, I think. Anyway, I'm gonna put the headset down real quick. I'm gonna make myself another drink, and I'll be right back. And we're gonna start the demo one more time, see what's different. Because last time, in the last demo for Mega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire, when we started the demo again, things were different. So maybe that's the thing again. I'm gonna put the headset down real quick, and I'll be right back. Yes, Levi, I'm also a old school Pokemon fan as well. So welcome. To anyone watching that hasn't subscribed to my channel and is enjoying the content, blah blah blah, for some reason, I encourage you to subscribe. Okay, putting the headset down real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Am I back? Yes, I am. Okay, I made myself another drink, and my JB slipped in the glass, so it's a strong drink. Let's test it out. Actually, hold on. Yeah, it is. Okay, I need to take it easy now. All right, let's see if things are different now. Next time around, let's go. You see, things are different now. Allow me to congratulate you again on clearing the trial, son. You see? You see? You see, I told you there's more to this demo, like it was last time. It's saved and everything. I get to keep Greninja and I can transfer it to the full game now. Even the super potion, actually. Are you into Pokemon as well, Varo? I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Cool. Let me give you all the good stuff you'll need to ride Pokemon. I can ride Pokemon! You got a ride pager. Whatever that is. Here in the Alola region, Pokemon will lend you their strength by letting you ride on their backs. Oh, okay. Apparently it's an exclusive thing. It's like saying you can only ride horses in the Netherlands. They will only let you ride them in the Netherlands. So funny. Okay, so son, I think it's time for you to ride on a powerful Pokemon that can run across the land and smash right through rocks. Awesome. Tauros was registered to your ride pager. Interesting. Let me read you the manual. Press Y to ride on your... Okay. Hold B to dash. This is your riding wear. It's a special outfit that you wear when you're riding... Yeah, it's a crash helmet. The thing is this. Now they have to be all safe and stuff, so... You have to put on a helmet when you ride a Pokemon. Come on, it's a game. Don't ruin the fun by giving us a helmet. I disagree. When you ride Tauros, your world gets a whole lot bigger. What? Maybe you could even find something new if you head to 10 Carat Hill. Oh, okay, I will. I'll be at Pokemon Center if you need me. Just stop by. Okay. Do I need to heal my Pokemon after those battles? The game has been saved one more time. Okay, now at the bottom, it's interesting. It's like an ad to watch the Pokemon Sun and Moon video, and then there's the Nintendo eShop for Pokemon Sun and the Nintendo eShop for Pokemon Moon. Interesting. Okay, let's go. Do I need to heal? I don't actually. They're fine. I know you just got here, but do you want to go to 10 Carat Hill? Let me say no. Can I just go on my own? No, apparently he needs to escort me. That's weird. Yeah, show me the way, because I haven't been there before. Are there more trainers now? No way! No, she's not a trainer. She's not gonna fight me, is she? I can feel your potential as a trainer. If you can defeat the 3 trainers on this route, I'll give you a battle. Awesome! Alright, it's time for battles, guys. Now, like, real battles. Let's do this. What about you? Why are you not a trainer? Why you don't want to battle me? There are dragon type. Okay, this is the same guy that told me that before. Okay, there's a trainer over there, there's a girl trainer, and I'm gonna impress her. Check out my Pokemon, it's so cute! Ellie. Oh, okay, so Greninja goes back to normal. It's like a Mega Evolution then. Let's see. Wait, why is he not going back to Ash Greninja? What the heck is going on? I am having too much fun. I am. Why won't he change into... There's no way to change him back. What the heck? I don't get it. He's went back to normal. This is weird. Okay, so he does it whenever he feels like it, apparently. Let's do this. So one down. No, not a trainer. This guy looks like a trainer. You a trainer, man? Nope. Nope. What's going on here? Hold on, we'll check it out later. Let's find out if there's more trainers over... Where are the trainers? It's incredible to be able to see an Alolan sumo match between two Machamps up close like this. I am so very happy! Okay. What's going on? Oh, they're just... Swore! Pow! They're just blocking the entrance. That's all. That's their purpose. They're just trying to block the entrance. Actually, my next console is going to be a 2DS. Because I think the 3D is a gimmick. I'm getting a 3DS. The one with the capture card is going to be a 3DS. A 2DS. What's wrong with me tonight? Let's go. So this guy's not a trainer. Where are the trainers? Oh, there we go. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I could have used Taurus all along. Look at that, guys! I didn't realize I could do that. Look at that. Clothes are overrated. All I'm wearing right now is a boxer. Boxer shorts is all I'm wearing right now. Oh my goodness. In fact, I got really paranoid that you could see the reflection from my 3DS, but it's not the case now. Alright, let's go. Let's go. I'm riding a Taurus like a boss. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. I can't go up here. So cool. Fear me. Oh, you can still run to wild Pokemon when you're riding. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, he's got his thing. He's got his gear on. So cool. Alright, since we're on into a Pokemon now. Look at him wearing his riding gear. So cool. Let's do this. You saw nothing, Varro. You saw nothing. No, you didn't see a nip. Fear me! Oh man, another wild Pokemon. That's fine. Young Goose appeared. Hairy chest. No, I don't have a hairy chest actually. I shave it. Good stuff. Roar! My Tauros is a beast. It's a mega evolved Tauros. Look at him. Is he? Looks like it. I'm watching vlog from another perspective. Lol. Roar! Roar! Come on, I can do this. Let's try again. That was cool. One, two. Uh-oh, I got spotted. Maintains that hair. Let me show you the awesome combination that is me and my Pokemon. Let's do this. Take your time, Stephen. Take your time. He's got 2 Pokemon. So apparently after defeating one, he turns into an Ash Greninja. Let's try. Let's see if the theory is true. Let's try it out. That hurt. Let's try again. Ah, crit. Hey, welcome Andres, welcome. We're playing some Pokemon Sun and Moon demo. I've been playing it for what? Almost 2 hours now. It's a very long demo. It's a very extensive demo. I'm enjoying it. Oh, look at him! He turned into an Ash Greninja! You see, after one battle then. After defeating one Pokemon, he turns an Ash Greninja. And it's like a Mega Evolution, so it's temporary. Interesting. That's interesting. Let's do an Aerial Ace. Let's do Water Shuriken. This is my favorite move. I'm enjoying this. I think he's gonna be in my team, this guy. Greninja. I like him. So this is what I think my team's gonna be. I think I already have a team in my head. So I'm gonna have the Flaming Cat Pokemon. I forgot the name. What's he called? I don't know. But I'm gonna go for the Fire Starter. I wanna go for Rowlet as well. So if I can choose a starter, deposit it into the Pokemon Bank, then start a new game, choose another starter, and withdraw from the Pokemon Bank. So I'll have 2 starters. I'll see if I can do that. So that's 2 Pokemon. Then my Ash Greninja. That's 3. I want to go for a nice type Vulpix. So that's 4. That leaves me room for another 2. We'll see. We'll see. That's what I have in mind for now. Now, Varro suggested that I run over someone. Let's see if I can do that. Let's see if I can do that. Ready? No, I can't. We tried, Varro. Let's try one more time. Let's do this one more time. No, I can't. Let's try again. This is Pokemon, okay? Not GTA, but we'll try. We can't. Did I finish Pokemon White? No, I haven't. No, I haven't. No. I got distracted with other games. The games that I play all the time. Resident Evil. Yeah. Sup, girl? There we go. You are challenged by Ace Trainer Sherry. Sherry! Oh, it's the Pokemon I've been photographing earlier. Let's do this. Let's use Night Slash. One more Night Slash. Here you go, you see he turns into an Ash Greninja now. I love how the female Pikachu has the tail that's like in the shape of a heart, kind of. The ends are like of a heart. I like that. Okay, let's go. So now I have an Ash Greninja, and she has a Pikachu, and I'm afraid I need to heal my Greninja. Yes, I have a super potion. I'm gonna use it. Actually, I know. You know what? Yeah, I'll use it. Never mind. What if she has the Z move? Let's see. Maybe she does. Water Shuriken, go! Ah, Electro Ball. This might. Uh-oh. This may not end well. Ah, no! I fainted! No! Varro was right. I should have healed. You have no more Pokemon that can fight. No! I blacked out. Oh, man! Oh, Varro was right. I should have healed Greninja. I want a rematch. I'm gonna go back to her. Okay, let's go look for her again. So maybe in this game you won't get a bike this time. You don't need a bike. Look at this. You don't need a bike now. Yeah, baby. I love this. You won't be needing a bike now in this game. Is it this girl? Was it this girl? Yeah, it's her. I'm gonna kick her ass now. Hey Aidan, welcome. Aidan, welcome to the stream. This is the demo. It's not the full game. It's the demo. It just came out, what, like 2 hours ago? No. Yeah, probably 2 hours ago. My 3DS is set to the Australian region, so they get it first. They always get things first because they're in the future. You know what? It's weird how I have Taurus to ride, but I can't use him in battle. But what's that all about? That's weird. Anyway, let's keep moving. When this game comes out, I'm gonna do a 12-hour stream probably. I booked the days off for the release of this game. I'm a nerd. Ash Greninja, there he is! I'm gonna kick his ass now. Pikachu, you're going down, pal. That's good. Pacifist Tauros, that's right, yeah? One more time, let's do this. Let's do this one more time. How cool! Pikachu goes, Pika. I am ready for this game. I'll never forget how strong you and your Pokemon were when battling at full force. Yes, feel the wrath. You see what you get when you mess with VloggyBuddy, huh? When you mess with the warrior. Crystal is better. I'm old school. You know what's better than Crystal in my opinion? What's it called? Pokemon Heart Gold and Soul Silver. I think they're better. I think it's better than Crystal. It's so good though. I remember seeing animated Pokemon for the first time because Crystal gave us those. They were like animated GIFs really, but they were so cool. I remember getting that game. Let's go. Amazing. Even going all out, I couldn't win. I'm so glad I've been able to meet a Pokemon trainer like you. Let me give something that shines as brightly as your talent, a star piece. Now you can send the star piece to the full version of the game. You know, Steven, I was actually thinking of changing my username to that, but nah. Send have the Pokemon Kuya gifts the full version. Now saving the adventure, says it's been saved. Okay. There's a lot of trainers like me who could like to go all out in the yellow region, but for you, with you and your skills Pokemon, I'm sure you'll be just fine. Okay, let's go around. Let's see if there's more of them. Oh, it's you again. A Pokemon catching challenge? What? I can catch Pokemon in this game? Seriously? Oh man, this demo is so good. This demo is 400 megabytes big, by the way. Not that it tells you, because Nintendo doesn't really tell you how big the game is. It just tells you in blocks. It's gonna take this amount of blocks. You got for the full game. Yes, I got the... I think I can carry over the potion, the Stardust or whatever I got, Star Piece, and I can carry with me the Greninja as well to the full game. So yeah. Yes! Hang on, been moving my 3DS around. There we go. There we go. It's centered again. What's up with this demo? It goes on forever. I know, right? I've been playing a demo for 2 hours. A 2-hour stream on a demo. I need to get back to bed. I need to be up at 8 and it's 5 AM right now. 5:15. The rules of the Pokemon catching are simple. It's a challenge to see how many Pokemon you can catch with a limited number of Pokeballs. You can add the Pokemon to catch. You can add the Pokemon you catch to the team. Switch your Pokemon skillfully as guys. What? By the way, while you're trying to catch Pokemon catching challenge, you can't leave. Hang on. By the way, while you're trying to the Pokemon catching challenge, you can't leave here. Okay. If you're out of Pokeballs or want to give up, just come talk to me. Do you want to participate in the Pokemon catching challenge where you run around catching tons of Pokemon? Yes! Yes! Hell yeah! Alright, you need some Pokeballs to catch Pokemon, so here you go. Yeah, you got some Pokeballs for catching Pokemon, let's go. Professor! Let's see what you can do in the Pokemon catching challenge, son. Yeah, Pokemon trainers can get out there and catch... Pokemon trainers can get out there and catch wild Pokemon. I was supposed to do the professor voice, I forgot. Now I'll show you how it's done, so keep your eyes on me, cousin. Cousin? Really? No, you know why I'm laughing? Because in Malta we have a thing. Like when you meet somebody and he's like, hey, my friend, how are you? But in Malta it's different. He doesn't call you, hey, my friend. He's like, hey, Kujin. Kujin is cousin. It's like, hey, Kujin. And this is like, it's like I'm in Malta. Hey, cousin. What's up, Kujin? I love that. Let's go. We're gonna see the Pokemon Professor in action now. It's amazing, he's teaching me how to catch a Pokemon like in the game, like in the full game. The game is set in Malta, confirmed. So cool. I'm gonna make a joke. Because there's a Pokemon Malta group on Facebook. And I'm gonna make that joke, like confirmed. This game is set in Malta. The hot weather, that's one. The beaches and people calling you Kujin. Piggyback was got. Wild Pokemon do attack people sometimes, but once you catch them, they become your strong allies. Allies, allies, allies. I can guess the words they're gonna use in this game. Allies. Gotta take a sip. That professor though. Search Professor Kokuyo Rule 34. Lol. What? Okay. Let's do this. Alright. Get out there, enjoy the Pokemon catching challenge. I'll be cheering for you. Alright, let's see. Let's do this. Time to see how many Pokemon you can catch. Let the Pokemon catching challenge begin! Young Goose. I don't like the Young Goose, but I'm gonna catch it. He looks just like Vloggy. No, come on. Okay. What? I'm very strong now. I don't know if he can handle my attacks. Let's go for a Night Slash. Ah, I'm too strong. I'm too strong. I'm not getting any XP apparently. I'm gonna wipe the screen. Hold on. Because I spit on it. Sorry. Alright. I think all my attacks are too powerful now. Alright, Piggyback. Let's try this one. You see, I'm very overpowered now, so I can't really weaken them. They just faint with the first attack that I do. So I'll just throw Pokeballs at them then. I'm gonna try one more time. Let's see. Ooh, there we go. There we go. I've weakened him. So now, how many Pokeballs do I have? Let's see. I've got 16. There we go. Guys, I caught the first Pokemon in Alola. In Alola, yes. Caught the first Pokemon in Areola. There you go, you caught one. Keep up the good work. Dude, chill. I have this guy already, so I'm not gonna catch him. Wait a minute, I just had an idea. Hold on. So he's on my team now. I got 2 Pokemon now. I can switch. Hold on. Oh, I can use Yungoos, but he's very weak right now. Oh, man. You know what? No. I don't like Yungoos, so I'm not gonna use my Super Potion on him. No. Hold on, let's bite. Ooh, you did your best, Yungoos. You tried. You tried. Let's see. Oh wow, that was good. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. Restore. Okay, no, I don't need to do that. I can't switch them. It doesn't say I can switch them. Why not? I can't switch the Pokemon. I can't. Never mind. Alright, let's move around. Seems like there's only 2 Pokemon here. Let's go. Roar! What's over here? No, I don't need to catch this guy. I already have him, so. Is that it? Is that it? Just these 2 areas? Oh, man. You know what? Just for the sake of it, I'm just gonna fight Pikipek against Pikipek. I wanna do that. I wanna do that. There we go. Pluck. Ouch, that's not good. I'm gonna pluck him back. Pluck you too, man. Pluck you too. Ah, man. Anyway, it's not like it's gonna give me experience. It's not giving me experience. Wiping off the spit, because I laugh and I talk loudly. Having another sip. Alright, let's go heal. Yeah, I'll stop. It's important to add Pokemon you catch to your team, so you can battle them on your... yeah. Oh, you let the Pokemon you caught go. Oh, man. That sucks. I like Picky Peck. Come back and play Pokemon catching. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I need to go visit the professor apparently because... and he's gonna be waiting for me down there. Let's see. What's this guy? Sure, I'll go back. Sorry, I spit on the screen again. You see that? Let's go. Hold on, because I think there was an area here that was barricaded earlier with rocks or something. Was it? I don't know. I know there was slowpokes earlier. Slowpokes are still there. Oh, look at her. Huh? Is that you, son? Yes, I am your son. This reminds me. Yeah, I need to go get some sleep. Yeah, I do. Is that you, son? This reminds me of Resident Evil. Chris, it's me, Rebecca. Is that you, Rebecca? This is exactly like that. I am her son. And she's like, huh? Is that you, son? Seriously? And that's my mom. And I talked to her like 2 hours ago. Shut up, Stephen. Look, he's having fun. They were just having a sale at the apparel shop. What? No way! I bought some of this and some of that, and before I knew it, the apparel shop had to close down for the day. What? When all my packages arrive, help me up, put them away, okay? Okay. I'd ask Meowth to help, but I don't want everything to get all scratched up. Kids should enjoy themselves. Go play as much as you like. I'm not playing, woman. I'm training to be the world's best. Like no one ever was. So that's Mommy. She didn't recognize her own son, but anyway. What's this guy's problem? You looking at me, man? Huh? 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 Oh, sorry. I moved the DS. I got excited. Hold on. Sorry, I put the volume down as well. My mom is hot. Yeah, no wonder How wanted to bring my mom. Stop it, Varo! You embarrass, you make me embarrassed, you make me shy. What's this guy's problem? If you can't see me tomorrow, I'll give you something. What? What? You see, it gives you an incentive to log on to the game tomorrow. The thing is, it's already tomorrow, so I have to wait the day after now. It's already tomorrow. That's so good. I like that. It's just like, again, it's just like the Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire demo as well. It was like that. Not today, not the day after tomorrow. It's gonna be tomorrow. Got it? Okay. Let's go heal up. Do I need to heal? Hold on. No, my Pokemon's fully healed again, once again. So weird. So, that was, How is over here. Oh, there's the professor. Hold on, he has something to tell me. Hey there, son! You see, at least Kukui recognized me. And, not unlike my mom, she was like, son, is that you? Anyway, you need something? Send to full version. Oh! Okay, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens if I say send to full version. Warning, if your console has the full package version inserted and the full download version installed, the package version will be prioritized and sending data. What's gonna happen? I'm gonna try this. Let's try the star piece so I don't mess this up. Star piece. You're gonna send the star piece, yeah? Yes. Save data for Pokemon Stadium who cannot be found. Okay. Yes, guys. Okay. Anything else? Oh, sorry to hear, Stephen. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, buddy. I'll let you know what's going on in chat. I'll read it out loud. Is the store still closed? Yeah, everything is out of stock still. I like what she says here. She says the owner's not here. He's going to be back in a month when the game is released. Look at that. I like that. I like that. I like that. Okay, let's go. How? What's up, man? You still into my mom? Alright, where should we go next? I don't know, you tell me, buddy. That's it. That's it. Okay, I think it's pretty much the end. Oh! Hold on, did I move something? No, I didn't. I think it's pretty much the end of the demo. So, yeah, it's time for me to end the stream as well. Thank you so much for hanging out. I'm gonna see if I can save. Hold on. Can I save? I can't save, though. No. No, I can't save. So I'm gonna end the demo here. Thank you all so much for hanging out. This was awesome. This was fun and awesome. Thank you so much for hanging out. You make the stream fun, you guys. So the stream wasn't fun because of me. It was of you guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I'm trying to find the mouse, so I end the stream. I click on end stream, but where is it? It's over here. Okay. See you tomorrow. Take care. But I'm gonna get some sleep. I'm gonna get like 2 hours of sleep now. See you guys.